Hey coach, after you have added teams to your coach's dashboard, you can proceed in completing the missions. Please note, the closure date for submissions has now been extended to January 21st. To proceed with submissions, simply log on to My Portal at portal.makewonder.com. Head to your coach's dashboard by clicking on the Wonder League Robotics card and then select the team that you are submitting mission evidence for. On this page, you will see 5 different cards for the different missions. Submit your evidence for each of the 5 missions that your team has completed. On this page, you're able to submit evidence for the selected mission. Red boxes on the left indicate that files are not yet submitted. Once you have submitted the required evidence, the boxes will turn green. If you need more information about the details and documents required for submission, the gray question marks above each field provides additional information needed. Multiple files can be uploaded at once. Once you're done uploading the files, you can view the uploaded files by clicking on each file name, and if you wish to remove the file from your submission, simply click on the Delete button. If you are sharing the team with other coaches, they will also be able to view the dashboard and files uploaded. Once you are done uploading the files for all 5 missions, review all the files uploaded. Even if you are unable to complete all 5 missions, we encourage you to submit the evidence your teams have completed. Do note that only the main evidence is required to finalize the mission. Make sure that you have all your documents, including the bonus evidence, uploaded before you finalize it. Confirm your finalization by clicking on the Finalize button, and congratulations, you're done with the submission. You'll receive a confirmation email verifying the team's submission and will see a notification on the coach's dashboard. You will still be able to access all the files that were submitted by simply clicking on the Finalize button from your coach's dashboard specific to that team. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our customer support at support@makewonder.com. Thanks for watching, and all the best with the competition.